Hey guys, welcome back to another Thank Truckers Friday. This week we're going to show you something that we don't talk about that much, which is some additional windows that we can put in to your trucks. Yay! Okay, so I know some of you guys will have seen the videos on the truck door windows that we've done, and most of you probably will be familiar on those lower door windows that go in the door panels. But other things that we offer as far as glazing, we also offer rear windows and quarter panel windows, which you can see here. Now, why do people have it? Well, it's all about a visibility thing, of course. Other benefits are manoeuvring the vehicle and obviously security as well. You know, if the driver's in the cab, they can see all the way around, see who's about if there is anyone. It seems to be a more popular thing with fleets nowadays as well. We're seeing more and more blue chip companies specifying certainly the quarter panel window, and that is 100% down to driver visibility, that is for sure. So yeah, so these are the kits we can fit. Obviously, we're cutting holes in your cab, so please bear that in mind. These changes cannot be undone once they are done. But essentially that is pretty much, not undermining, you know, the engineers that do it or anything, that's pretty much what it is. We have templates made up, we cut these exact holes in the side of the cab, and then we have a approved piece of glass, of course, it's automotive glass, same as your windscreen, and a nice surround on this outer one for the quarter panel window. And then on the inside, which there'll be some B-roll playing now, you'll see we do some inner GRP panels which just finish it all up nicely so that it looks as factory as it possibly can be. Now, some brands do offer this kind of option from the factory, others don't, but we do offer rear and quarter windows for pretty much every brand, and if we don't do it, then we can luckily develop it with one of our partners, which is excellent. On the rear window, again, cutting a hole, you'll notice there's no surround on that one. That just bonds straight onto the style line in the back of the cab, which is nice, gives a nice look finish there. And yeah, again, automotive grade glass, doesn't shatter, it's got the lamination to it and that kind of thing. So yeah, we'll jump inside the cab so I can actually show you a bit more inside as well. I know you've just seen it, but let me take you in and we'll just talk about how this particular conversion's done and what we have to do. Here we are then inside the cab. You're seeing this from pretty much the driver's point of view, obviously. You wouldn't normally have someone sat on the bunk, and I know I'm blocking the window, but essentially this is what you get as far as an additional vision. With a quarter panel window, obviously you've got your door window over there anyway, but quarter panel window is really handy just for check-in, obviously for vulnerable road users and manoeuvring around in the yard and that kind of thing. And again, the rear window, you know, a bit like in your car as well, it's always nice just to be able to see the back. It gives you a nice square view out the back there. These are the panels we were on about. I know you've seen them. They've got a nice texture to them, obviously colours to complement the design and the interior colours of the cab. That changes per vehicle, of course, and they are, yeah, just simply bolted into the fixing points in the cab structure, so it can be easily removed if it does get damaged or scratched and that kind of thing. And the same on this one, although you can't see it, it's actually on studs, so you can get behind it and remove it again should you need to replace it. On these particular T range Renault conversions, the bunker control module, that's mounted at the back in the centre from the factory, so obviously we've had to relocate that just over here, put that onto a bracket, just to make it nice and secure as well. So yeah, I mean, there's not a huge amount more to say about it. It's it's some windows in a cab, but I feel like it's a good informative video. There's probably not a lot on the internet about them, so this will hopefully give you a bit of a feel of what they're all about and how our conversion looks. Yeah, other than that, that's about it from me on this one. There's going to be another video coming up soon, no doubt. Please like this one. Please drop me a comment below if you want to see anything in particular. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, and if you haven't already, get entered into the big truck giveaway. You can win yourself a Renault T Range in our big truck giveaway, so make sure you enter that. Okay, bye.